Greetings, KPBSD families and students. This is Miss Carlin Walker coming to you from Seward Middle School with some help exploring grades and feedback on Canvas. While we do use PowerSchool for a portal to view a student's basic summary of assignments and grades, Canvas provides us a rich opportunity to view the feedback and rubrics that can really help guide a family and understand about their students' progress and learning, see how they can improve it, and maybe celebrate what they're already accomplishing. I do highly recommend that if it's available to you, that you download the Canvas Parent app or student apps on your personal devices for ease of looking at grades and assignments, and for the students the ease of submitting and interacting with Canvas on the go. If not, the KPBSD website, if you go up here to the top right, there's a series of icons that are very helpful. Canvas is the first. We're going to click on there. Once a student clicks on there, they won't see that. That's just because I'm playing teacher right now. They will be prompted to log in. You'll see this screen. This is where they'll log in with their typical student ID and password. Maybe sit down together and go through this process together so the student can show you around and help you see. Because if you just view it through a link, through like a teacher email, for example, you're not going to be able to see all the grades and get all the feedback. So that's important that you have your student log in with you. Once there, the student will see a dashboard that looks very similar to mine with their to-dos, meaning the upcoming assignments. These are links. If you click on them, it'll take you directly to the assignment, and they're organized by date. You have coming up assignments, and then here they'll see their feedback from their teachers most recently, which is pretty awesome right away to glance and see what the teachers are telling them about their work. The other thing you'll notice is a view grades. If you click on that, that will give you the grade summary for all of your students' classes in that quick view, very similar to PowerSchool. So that's important and handy. But we're going to view science for now. Now, while every class is different, they have a lot of commonalities that makes it easy to navigate as a parent. The one thing I do want to show you is one quick way to monitor your students' progress in Canvas. Many teachers are utilizing requirements, which show these little green check marks when a student has completed a requirement for an assignment. So then, as a parent or a caregiver, you're able to see where your student is in the progress in the course. For example, here, this is week 4. I'd see that the next assignment my student needs to accomplish, and I see the date here, September 15th. So that might reassure me that my student is on progress, since that's tomorrow, and I would feel good, and I could follow up with them and check in with them and see what help they might need. So that's one easy way to check their progress. But if you want to look at the grades, you're going to click on the grade link in this left-hand screen. That grade thing will always look the same no matter what class it is. Once you're here, you have a lot of things going on. The summaries over here on the right. The assignment category list is broken down. And then you will see the assignments. These check marks indicate completed for a total of 5 points. You'll notice icons down here, these little bubbles, these dialogue bubbles, are comments that the teacher has left for the student, maybe to either celebrate things they've done well or help them understand how they can improve it. Comments can be powerful. If you also see the clipboard, that will show you the rubric that was used by the teacher to grade the assignment, to hopefully give you a better understanding of how this grade came to be. If you view it in PowerSchool, you're just going to see a number, and that may not always be what you need at that moment. Please also keep in mind that each of these blue words takes you to the actual assignment details. You can see the comments here and the rubric as well. But if you want to understand the assignment better, you go up to this top screen, click on the assignment again, and it will take you to the actual assignment. So if you and your student want to work through it together, improve it, or just understand what the assignment's about, that could significantly help you. One last thing I want to show you is that if you would like to see how improving a grade would affect your overall score, if you look in the top right here, the student says 77, I can actually click and change the score to be what we call a what-if grade. I hit enter, and I notice that that brought me up 2%. So if a student or a family is trying to decide if reworking an assignment or changing an assignment is worth their time and energy, which is a reasonable discussion, you can use the what-if score. And then I click the arrow to take me back. I hope this helps you guys significantly feel more confident and comfortable navigating grades and feedback on Canvas.